of a troll around, see what we can find. Yeah, we're just going to do a bit of muck around day today. We're going to see what's around, bit of a trial, get some baits, got some dead baits there too. So we'll spend the day having a bit of a look around. It's a bit rough, bit of a northeast, northwest wind blowing here. So what we're going to do, we're going to do a bit of trolling. Just going to run over a few reefs on the way and try around them, see what we can find. We're trolling at about 9 knots, just a bit more speed than normal marlin trolling speed. We've got a Samaki out there as well as a halco, one deep diver, one shallow diver. And yeah, we'll just work our way around. And the water temp's 24.2, so definitely hot enough. Plenty of bait and that going across the sounder. Now we're trolling here about 8 to 9 knots. Just get that speed going, get these hard bodies really working. We can cover some ground then as well. We'll do this for a little while. We're using a tiagra 30, a tyrnos 20, and they're both on Samaki current line rods. It's just what I've got for marlin fishing really, but we'll see how we go. Just use whatever you got. If you've got a TLD 20, anything like that, we're perfect for this sort of fishing. Oh, no good on the hard bodies. We'll switch over to some live bait, see what we can find. Time to catch some bait. Send him down. There's tons of bait on the sounder there. Oh, you gotta drop it down to probably 10 meters, but tap, tap, tap. Yep, look at this. Bait here everywhere. Slimies, nice. Hopefully there's some predators around with them. All right, got our live bait rig on. We're actually going to try and chase a little black marlin. We'll get our needle, bridle rig. Let's get one of these slimies. Poke him just in the nose there, pull him all the way through. Twist him a couple of times. Back up. Come on, mate. Back through. There he is, ready to go. Oh, he's lively. It's good to see. Pretty good marking here. Look at that. Ooh, fingers crossed. Now we'll just sit him there. Leave him with just the ratchet on. We'll tick over this bait here. Hopefully we can find one. There's a few dolphins around, which normally is a good sign. Oh, what do we got here? Wasn't happy at all. A nice mark there. Hopefully he comes up and bites. Oh, I gotta go. Hopefully it's what we're after. Wind him up, drags on, drag pressure. Oh, come out. No, he's still there. Still there. Up he goes. Hook up. There we go, we're hooked up. There it is. Hasn't done anything. Hasn't done anything at all. Got to come straight to the boat. There was one big run and that was it. There was a shark, it should have bitten off by now, have a circle look. Big dirty hammerhead. Oh, we lost him there. He's just there next to the boat. Didn't really want him in there. I might have tagged him, but anyway, bit of fun. Bloody sharks, eh? Stop wriggling, mate. All right. Let's see what happens. Come on, mackerel. Hooked up. It's crazy run there. What do we got here? Oh, a little Spanish by the look of it. Get the gaff here. Ah, a little spotty. Actually, a nice spotty. Come here, mate. Hey, missed it. Try to do a headshot there. Come here, mate. You see a headshot. You little. Come here. Ah. Come here, mate. I'm wrecking on this for sure. There we go. There we go. And a nice. Oh, nearly got me. I'll get some hooks out here. There we go, guys. An awesome little spotty mackerel there on the live bait rig. Let's get the baits in and get another one. Now this is why I use multi-strand wire. Look at that. That's the rig we just caught that spotty on. Still in perfect nick, ready to go back out. Yep. Oh, bite. Oh, look at that. Look at that. Got it. Yeah. Oh, you wanted that. He was all over it. Yeah, look at that. Might be what we're after. Fingers crossed. Drive this boat a bit. I'm not sure what it was, but it's a good take anyway. It's got some head shake, so I'm hoping it's a nice barry. We'll see how we go here. For a fair bit of weight. Now I'm pretty sure it's a shark, but I don't want to bust it off until I see it. You never know. Another shark for sure. Don't know how big he was. If you enjoyed this episode, don't forget to check out my other videos which are here. And until next time, enjoy what I enjoy, fishing, camping and cooking the catch. See you guys.